Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're checking out the best spark plug socket set with magnetic grip available on the market right now. The LIBRATON 8-piece 3/8 drive magnetic spark plug socket set. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned mechanic, this set might just be the tool upgrade you've been looking for. Let's dive in and see what makes it stand out. This LIBRATON socket set is designed to cover almost every spark plug removal and installation scenario. You're getting 8 pieces in total. Sockets in 9/16, 5/8, 14mm, and 16mm, each available in 4 inches, 6 inches, and 10 inches lengths for different reach needs. Whether you're working on a truck, a motorcycle, or a standard car, this set has you covered. One of the key highlights is the professional-grade CRV alloy steel construction. It's hardened and heat-treated, and finished with a polished chrome coating. That means not only do they resist rust and corrosion over time, but they also feel extremely solid in the hand. And thanks to the laser-etched size markings, you'll be able to identify each socket easily even after heavy use. Let's talk performance. These sockets feature strong internal magnets that hold the spark plug securely during removal and installation. No more plugs falling into hard-to-reach places or fiddling with pliers. This magnetic grip is a game-changer for both speed and precision. Plus, the thin-walled 12-point design helps you get into tight spaces where standard sockets would fail, while the 6-point options provide added durability when torque is needed. Flexibility is another big win here. Each socket has a 360-degree swivel head, which means even those awkward, hard-to-reach plugs tucked deep in engine compartments can be accessed with ease. Combine that with 3 different extension lengths, 4, 6 inches, and 10, and you're getting a solution that adapts to nearly any engine layout. LIBRATON also includes a spark plug gapper tool, which is incredibly useful for precise adjustments. Additionally, there's a 1/2 female to 3/8 male adapter included. The entire set comes packed in a tough blow-molded case that keeps everything organized, secure, and ready to go, perfect for garage storage or taking on the road. This socket set is perfect for DIYers and professionals alike. Whether you're swapping plugs on your weekend motorcycle project, doing a quick tune-up on your car, or working on heavy-duty trucks, this set has everything you need to get the job done efficiently and without hassle. It's compatible with both 6-point and 12-point plugs, which adds to its versatility. To wrap it up, the LIBRATON 8-piece magnetic spark plug socket set delivers durability, precision, and flexibility in one sleek, complete package. If you're serious about engine maintenance and want tools that can keep up, this is a set worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tool reviews. Thanks for watching.